Assalamu alaikum. So let we solve some more examples. So this is example, a sample of saturated soil has a water content of 35%. The specific gravity of solids is 22.65. Determine its void ratio, porosity, saturated unit weight and dry unit weight. So we have to determine these quantities. Let me first determine void ratio. So we can determine void ratio very easily from this water content. Actually, what is water content? Water content is weight of water by weight of solids. So actually you can see weight of water is this SE into unit weight of water. So we will write SE into unit weight of water by weight of solids. Weight of solids is specific gravity into unit weight of water. So we will write G into unit weight of water. But this is given 35%, which means this is 0.35, which further implies we can write, this is saying that a sample of saturated soil. So this soil sample is saturated, it means degree of saturation is 1. So we will write 1 into this E, this unit weight and unit weight will cancel, will be equal to 0.35 into G. G is specific gravity of solids, that is 2.65. So from this we can get void ratio, which comes out to be 0.93 or 93%. Now we have calculated this void ratio. We will now calculate porosity. For that, it is very easy. There is a very easy relation between this porosity and void ratio. So I will write porosity is actually volume of voids by total volume. Volume of voids plus volume of solids, because total volume is volume due to voids and volume due to solid. So further, if we divide this by volume of voids on numerator and denominator, we can get volume of voids by volume of voids, that is 1, divided by volume of voids by volume of voids, that is 1, divided by volume of voids by volume of solids by volume of voids. So we can write this 1 divided by volume of voids by volume of solids, 1 divided by volume of voids by volume of solids. So that is actually void ratio, volume of voids by volume of solids. So which further implies this will come E divided by E plus 1. So that is this porosity. So actually we know the value of E, so we can substitute value of E here, 0.93 divided by 1.93. So N will come 0.48. So this is 0.482, or you can write 48%. So now what we have to calculate is we have to find the saturated unit weight. So we have to find saturated unit weight. So what is actually saturated unit weight? It means unit weight when sample is saturated. So when sample will be saturated, it means weight will be due to this liquid portion and due to the solid portion. So we will write saturated unit weight is weight due to water plus weight due to solid and by total volume. So because this is saturated unit weight means how much weight is per unit volume. So we will write, but this total volume is 1 plus E. So you can see volume is total volume due to solids and due to voids. Due to voids this is E and due to solids this is 1. So which further implies we can write what is weight of water. Weight of water is in this water content times G into this, or we will use this saturation into porosity into unit weight of water. So we will write weight of water is saturation into E into unit weight of water plus weight of solids. Weight of solids is G times unit weight of water, that is specific gravity times unit weight of water, divided by total volume. Total volume is 1 plus E. So we can write saturated unit weight will come out to be, this is degree of saturation, this is fully saturated sample, so it means degree of saturation is 1. We will write here 1, and E, this is void ratio, we have calculated this is 0.93. Unit weight of water, I have told you how can you calculate unit weight of water. It comes out to be 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube plus G is also given, that is 2.65 into 9.81 divided by this total volume. This will be 1 plus porosity, so it will be, sorry, 1 plus void ratio, so it will be 1 plus 0.93, that is 1.93. If you calculate this, this will comes out to be 18.15 kilonewton per meter cube. So this is saturated unit weight. Now what we have to find is, we have to find dry unit weight. So we can write here, we have to find dry unit weight. Actually, what is dry unit weight? Dry unit weight is saturated unit weight divided by 1 plus water content. If you do not know how this relation exists, then please watch previous videos, because it is very important for you to learn stepwise, because I will not always repeat these things, so this will make video very long. So that is why I am using these relations. So this is bulk unit weight is, or saturated unit weight is, saturated unit weight, it is an 18.55 kilonewton per meter cube and 1 plus water content. Water content is 0.35, so it will be 1.35. if you calculate this, this will come out 13.44 kilonewton per meter cube. So now let me solve one more example. So this is the example. A saturated clay has a water content 39.3% and bulk specific gravity of 1.84. Determine the void ratio and specific gravity of particles. So we have to find void ratio and specific gravity of particles. So first we will write given data. It is given that soil is saturated, clay has a water content, so water content is given, that is 39.3%. and bulk specific gravity, so we will write here specific gravity, bulk specific gravity is 1.84. so we have to determine void ratio. So we have to find void ratio and specific gravity of particles. So how can we find this? This is given that this is specific gravity of, this is bulk specific gravity. It means specific gravity, when we calculate this specific gravity, we have to consider weight of both solids and water. So let me start. So what is this bulk specific gravity? It is bulk specific gravity. So it will be unit weight, bulk unit weight, bulk unit weight, or bulk unit weight divided by unit weight of water. So what will be bulk unit weight? Bulk unit weight will be this unit weight of water times this bulk specific gravity. So this is the bulk unit weight. Now you will find this will come, unit weight of water is 9.81 into specific gravity, bulk specific gravity, it is given as 1.84. so this will come 18.05 kilonewton per meter cube. Now this is bulk unit weight. Now if you actually find bulk unit weight is unit weight but a bulk sample. It means it will be unit weight, we have to consider both unit weight of solids plus weight of water, because this is not dry. Bulk means our sample is not dry, so it contains weight due to solids and weight due to water. So we will write bulk unit weight, it will be weight by volume. So we will write total volume, that is 1 plus E. But actually this is bulk unit weight, it means weight by volume. Weight in bulk, when this is bulk sample, so it means weight is due to solids and water, divided by total volume. Total volume is this 1 plus E. So which further implies weight of solids. Weight of solids is G into, this is specific gravity of solids. Weight of solids is specific gravity of solids into this unit weight of water. We have to calculate the specific gravity of solids. So we will write specific gravity of solids into this unit weight of water. Unit weight of water plus weight of water. Weight of water is we know water content, so we will use this formula. Water content times this is unit weight of, this is specific gravity of solids G into unit weight of water. Divided by total volume, that is 1 plus E. Or we can use this formula. This is saturated, so we will use this formula. The degree of saturation is 1 in this case. So we can write, or you can use this, or you can use this one. G into weight of water plus S into E into unit weight of water divided by 1 plus E. So in this case we calculated this bulk unit weight, but when this sample will be saturated, it means all the voids are filled with water. You can write this saturated, or you can write this bulk, because bulk also includes weight of water and weight of solids. When it is fully saturated, we will write saturated. So which further implies this will come G plus E, because this is a saturated clay, it means the degree of saturation is 1, so we will write here E, and this we will take this as common, unit weight of water divided by 1 plus E. So this is saturated unit weight, or you can say bulk unit weight. So but we have calculated this is 18.05 equals to G into E plus E into this water content, that is unit weight of water, that is 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube divided by 1 plus E. So now there are two unknowns, this specific gravity of solids and void ratio. So we will use another equation, that is water content equals to weight of water by weight of solids. So in this case, what will be this water content? So it will be weight of water. Weight of water is S into E into unit weight of water, but degree of saturation is 1 in this case, so we will write E plus unit weight of water. E plus unit weight of water divided by weight of solid, that is G specific gravity of solids into unit weight of water. So this will cancel out, it means that void ratio will be water content times specific gravity of solids, but this water content is 0.393, so we can write this void ratio is equal to 0.039 times specific gravity of solids. So we will use this equation and we will substitute values here. So we will write G plus 0.393 times G into 9.81 divided by 1 plus 0.039 G. Sorry, this is 0.393 G. So when you will solve this equation, you will get G will be specific gravity of solids, that will be 2.74. Now we have to find void ratio. So void ratio will be water this unit weight of this is water content times specific gravity of solids. So water content is 0.393, specific gravity of solids is 2.74, so this will come 1.08. Hope you understood this. Thanks. Have a nice day.